it's me again. Told you you'd have to wait for another video to see this. I am wearing the Sedici Ultimo boots. I want to say they're the Ultimos. That you saw in the last week's video, the boots right out of the box were super comfortable, and they feel they fit true to size. I was kind of worried because, you know, with like the Alpine Stars, you've got you got to go a size small. Like I usually wear a size. You probably got to go more than a size small, because I usually wear size 8, between a 8.5 and 9. But my Alpine Star riding boots are a size 7, and these are a size 8. So maybe a half a size or so. If you guys don't know, I've been meaning to do a video on it, but what you just saw him do is the alert to other bikes that there's a cop up ahead. You pat the top of your helmet as if lights. There he is pointing to him. He's going to start signing soon. But yeah, these boots, they've got a zipper on the side along with Velcro, and the zipper it's a YKK zipper, and then they have honestly, I'm gonna be straightforward with you. I have no idea what the hell YKK zipper, what makes them so special, but it has them. So it's there, and it's got a little tab hooked to the zipper flap thing that you grab onto, which is Velcro on each side. And it's raining off over there to our left, up ahead. You can see it about 11 o'clock. But the zipper has the Velcro on it, so you can stick them in the basically the Velcro part that straps to them, and they're well ventilated as well. They got pretty good armor on them. I don't think they're a full race boot. I think again these are more oriented to like a road race boot. But as soon as you put them on, they feel like they've been broken in. You know, they're not stiff. The vents in them are insane. I can move. I think they're designed more for like full-on race-style rear sets, because if I right now, if I get my feet up on the toes, which I don't think you can see, but I put my feet on my toes, and the air just starts pumping into these boots, and it almost feels like I don't have boots on, which is cool. So your feet don't get really hot. They're comfortable to walk around in. The tread on the bottom didn't feel horrible. I mean, they're not slip bottoms. They do have some tread, and they're only like $120 or something like that. $130, somewhere in that area, for a brand new boot. So again, I don't know if it's something they're trying to phase out, or if it's just how much they go for, because when you look on Revzilla, you can find them without an issue, and they come in other colors as well. They've also got your toe sliders, which I believe are replaceable, because they look like they have a couple Phillips head screws in them, which that's a good thing, because if you're getting low enough and your feet are touching the ground in the turns, you want to be able to replace those instead of having to buy a whole new boot just because those wore out. But all in all, I'm happy with the boots and the gloves. I mean, for a brand that almost looks like it's trying to mimic CD, even with their name, they're doing a good job. mean, I believe that the gear he's wearing up there is even Sedici. He's got Sedici jacket and pants on. Yeah, his boots are TCX, and then the gloves I want to say are they TCX too? Yep, TCX gloves too. But yeah, I'm going to stop talking to you guys and talking his ear off like I've been doing